All right, everybody, we are out here with Cambry. Say hello, Cambry.
Hello.
This was $5 at Walmart. Now, the front looks pretty creepy, but we didn't buy it for that. We bought it to see what it does, and because there's ones that say good trolls, and these ones just, I mean, that one looks but we're just here to watch the fireworks. Who the heck cares what's on this thing? So, because, Cambry, we would want, if we could be a troll, we'd want to be what kind of troll?
I would love to be Poppy.
No. This says mad trolls. What kind of troll would you want to be?
A good troll.
There you go. Good answer. All right, everybody. Here is the $5 firework from Walmart. Let's see what we got. Ready, set. Oh, dear. Dang. You can come over here, Cambry. Now that is worth $5. Am I wrong?
Because it echoed really loud.
That was a cool $5 spent. A lot of people think, you know, oh, you light it and it's over, but yet you can make memories. You can take a video and watch it over and over again. So really, is it a waste of money?
No.
Didn't think so. I agree with Cambry. So, all right. Well, thanks for joining us for our fun video. Cambry, say goodbye.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.